Good morning, beta. We are going to continue with the correction of sentences. There was no place on the bench for you. There was no room on the bench for you. She is my cousin's sister. She is my cousin. This is the correct one. We saw a theatre. We saw a play. I want to buy a copy. I want to buy a copy book or a notebook or a exercise book. Please put your sign here. Please put your signatures here. They like the play of cricket. They like the game of cricket. Good night, sir. I have come to consult you. Good evening, sir. I have come to consult you. Good night ਜਾਣ ਵੇਲੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਣ ਵੇਲੇ good evening ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ 100 miles are a long distance and 100 miles is a long distance. There were many females in the compartment. There were many women in the compartment. Renu stays in the boarding. Renu stays in the boarding house. Ashu failed by 5 numbers. Ashu failed by 5 marks. My family members have gone to Delhi. The members of my family have gone to Delhi. The weather of Dalhousie is very pleasant. The climate of Dalhousie is very pleasant. Please give me some blotting. Please give me some blotting paper. The teacher needed a chalk. The teacher needed a piece of chalk. I have got an employment in this office. I have got a job in this office. Mohan and Sohan are not on talking terms with each other. Mohan and Sohan are not on speaking terms with each other. I have an urgent work with you. I have an urgent piece of work with you. You have a big number of money. You have a big amount of money. Arun is one of my fast friend. Arun is one of my fast friends. Mr. D.K. Sharma is our English professor. Mr. D.K. Sharma is our professor of English. I have read a quantity of novels. I have read a number of novels. Ravi will buy a new home. Ravi will buy a new house. Anjana and Neelam are sitting under the shadow of a tree. Anjana and Neelam are sitting under the shade of a tree. Anu saw her shade in the river. Anu saw her shadow in the river. First BA, 50 BA and 10 MA applied for the job. 50 BAs and 10 MAs applied for the job. Entry to the cinema hall will be by tickets. Entry to the cinema hall will be by ticket. The chair's leg is broken. The leg of the chair is broken. The English invaded the French. The English invaded नहीं attacked the French. Pakistan may attack India. Pakistan may invade India. Ravi will go by 4:30 o'clock train. Ravi will go by the 4:30 train. Sneh has no rupees to spend. Sneh has no money to spend. The French have strange habits. The French have strange customs. Stealing is a bad custom. Stealing is a bad habit. All my relations are rich. All my relatives are rich. The dacoit was set at freedom. The dacoit was set at liberty. Tell me the cost of this box. Tell me the price of this box. My uncle's secretary's wife is very charming. The wife of my uncle's secretary is very charming. Collegiates are fond of fashions. Collegians are fond of fashion. Cities after cities were attacked. City after city was attacked. Vijay took insult at my remark. Vijay took offense at my remark. I love to read the poetry of Byron. I love to read Byron's poetry. Kamal enjoys a free ship in the college. Kamal enjoys a free studentship in the college. We have read 2/3 of this novel. We have read 2/3 of this novel. You gave false witness. You gave a false evidence. She was standing in the center of the room. She was standing in the middle of the room. We should show respect to the fair sex. We should show respect to women. I live in the boarding. I live in the boarding house. He invited all his son-in-laws to the party. He invited all his sons-in-law to the party. Crowds after crowds went to welcome the Prime Minister. Crowd after crowd went to welcome the Prime Minister. A 5-man deputation met the governor. A 5-man deputation met the governor. Woods are used for making chairs. Wood is used for making chairs. She sent me a verbal message. She sent me an oral message. People must study the story of the Indians. People must study the history of the Indians. Your brother is a drunkard. Your brother is a drunkard. We saw a joker at the circus. We saw a clown at the circus. She got passing marks in English. She got pass marks in English. Kindly grant me 1 day's leave. Kindly grant me leave for 1 day. Ram's house is different from Sham. Ram's house is different from Sham's. I do not know my date of birth. I do not know the date of my birth. The roads of our town are very narrow. The roads of our town are very narrow. Which street leads to your village? Which road leads to your village? Describe the reason of an earthquake. Describe the cause of an earthquake. We won a running cup. We won a challenge cup. These are the errors which we make during in the use of nouns. Tomorrow we'll discuss the errors that take place in the use of pronouns. Thank you.